here on behalf of Emmanuel Osemota Foundation. At the face mask, there's one side that is a little bit harder, right? So that's the side that is supposed to be on top of your nose.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today we came to talk to you guys about being a girl child. You know, being a girl is a special thing. You can achieve anything that you want to achieve. So today we'll be talking about the Girl Child Initiative under 4 topics. We're going to have a talk on sexual abuse or assault, menstrual hygiene, and human trafficking.
Who knows it? Who knows it? Clap for yourself. Where's the second page? Position, we have Omajimite It's not normal for her. She's not going back the same. Congratulations. Okay, on behalf of Emmanuel Osemota Foundation, we present this brand new Vita laptop to our winner, Omajimite Eunice.
A student of Egor Secondary School. I'm in SS1. Emmanuel Osemota Foundation came to our school and they taught us about human trafficking. I like them to visit more school and also educate young girls like me. I'd like to say a very big thank you to Emmanuel Osemota Foundation.
This program was organized by Emmanuel Osemota, which gives us knowledge about understanding the guest rights and the future, then putting the guest front as the leaders of tomorrow. So, guests are the future of tomorrow. We want to thank Emmanuel Osemota for his gift he has given to me and for all he has done for us today. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Daosa J.I. from Egor Secondary School. This program is a wonderful program. It has exposed our female students to what it takes about sex and the things they need to do when they are already involved in it. So I commend the effort of the foundation. They should keep it up. It's encouraging, it's educative. Thank you.
Noramon, Egor FA, Principal Director, the Principal of Egor Secondary School. So the foundation, the topic alone is a welcome development. Consider the present situation where people are now involved, not only traveling to Europe now, traveling to other African countries through land, trading on our, especially the females, the girl child. Emmanuel Osemota Foundation, what I want to say to you that thank you for this type of a thing.
Emmanuel Osemota Foundation came to our school today to teach us about girls' education, to show that girls is not superior to men, and to teach us about human trafficking and sex abuse. And they tell us to stay away from sex, that abstinence is the best solution. I would like them to go to other schools and also teach them the importance of abstinence from sex.
Thank you, Emmanuel.